Guys, I'm gonna be getting the ambient lighting upgraded today. I've been waiting all year for this. I've been saying I'm gonna do it, and the time's finally here. I figured it's perfect given the fact that I just got a new car as well. I'm on my way to Ambient house right now, where I'm gonna be getting the ambient lighting done. I would do it myself, but I don't have the time. Might as well just pay someone to get it done for me. Stay till the end, and if you guys are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you go check out my other videos. Got old gen C63, new gen C63, ambient lighting soon. We're back here to pick up the car. Looks like car's done. And look at these beasts right here, man. Alright, let's take a look at what's been done. Okay. Jeez. I like the look of this already. I like the look of it. I'll show you guys a nighttime video because the lights are pretty dull right now just because it's bright outside, but this is how the vents look right now. Pretty nice. If you cycle through these colors, other colors pop up here. I think it should have about 64 colors. And right now I'm just cycling through each one and you see the lights change. Man, this is gonna be such a big upgrade for the nighttime POVs because the interior is always so dark. This is gonna spice it up a lot. So there are still a couple of things I wanna do to the interior of the car. I wanna upgrade the screen. I wanna get the bigger screen. And I also wanna upgrade the steering wheel at some point. That's gonna happen much later. So you guys keep watching my content and stay up to date with my posts, and you're gonna see every single thing I'm gonna get done to this car. Those are the old ones right there. I don't know what to do with those. These are the old vents. Most likely gonna be selling them. So if you're interested, hit me up on Instagram, Bruce43_AMG. Look at. But yeah, hit me up on Instagram, Bruce43_AMG. And look how cozy this interior is starting to look, man. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Okay.